Hi, this is Srinivasan Ramanujam, founder and CEO of Career Mudra. So, welcome to a digital marketing course. So, I would like to give you about an introduction until how we can use digital marketing course in a perfect manner. So, first we will be going to see about Instagram. So, how to effectively use Instagram, and then we will be going to watch one by one. Because in digital platform we have so many social media applications in front of us, and everyone going to make use of those digital platforms, so that to achieve their target, to achieve to sell their products and services, and also achieve the product, and to reach more followers or to gain more followers. After that, they will do all sorts of business over on Instagram. So Instagram is nothing but a photo sharing application, and also a short video sharing application, along with short descriptions. There are certain you can't share long descriptions. There are quite short of descriptions because it has some restriction of characters. And why we are using Instagram, first of all, we'll be going to see one by one. So I'm not going to restrict with because this is a kind of a course you can't get out of any kind of institutes or any kind of channels, because it is purely based on my personal experience with Instagram. Because I got to know, I have learned a lot of lessons, I learned a lot of things, how to effectively use Instagram on digital, digital marketing. To how our career mudra has been reached over on Instagram. There are multiple ways. Will be, I'll just walk you through all the step-by-step procedures without fail. What are all the things as a newcomer, as as a new entrepreneur, or a new entrepreneur would come into digital platform and to sell their products and services to the users, right? So those things is very, very important. And without digital platform, you can't sell any products or services these days. We need to understand this logic. Why we need to use, why we need to go for Facebook, why we need to go for Instagram, why we are using Twitter, why we are using Pinterest, why we have so many social network, why we go for YouTube, when we go for YouTube. So there are so many aspects of it. So it is, for every applications, for each and every application, there is some intention, there is some goal for the users, for getting, as a business owner, we need to get all the things before starting a business page on each social media applications. So before going in depth, today, I just want you to think on your a few things before going into in depth about how to effectively use Instagram. Okay, so the first thing is I wanted to tell you why we need to go for, what is the purpose of using digital with respect to Instagram. So that is very, very important. Every users, as a user, forget about as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, or as a newcomer, forget about all those things. Why a person using digital platform, and why we are going for Instagram. So what is the main purpose? What is the purpose? So in modern world, today's world, everyone using digital platforms, smartphones, for accessing anything. We are ordering all kinds of things through online, right? through, I mean, ordering online in the sense we are getting, or we are getting feedback from the users. Without feedback, without comments, without rating, we are not thinking, we are not going for, or we are not going to buy a single product, irrespective of the prices. So this is the, this is the world right now in front of us. So even, just say for instances, um, in any city, tier one, starting from tier one to tier two, tier three, every city, even right, I mean, these days, every rural people also ordering things online, right? So yeah, so this is how, this is the starting point. One, a person or an entrepreneur, a businessman, need to think why we need to go for a digital platform, because we need to reach wider audience. For that, we need to be present, we need to be showcase, we need to showcase our business through each and every platform. Okay, so that is the reason. I mean, if you have a presence on business, if you are starting a business, you have to have a presence on digital platform. It is a must, it is a mandate these days. Without this, you can't reach your target, you can't reach your revenue target, you can't reach, you can't advertise. First of all, you have to showcase that you are existing in the business, whatever the business might be. You have to showcase, saying that yes, I'm doing these kind of a services, I have this kind of products. Through these products, you will get this kind of uses, this kind of advantages, this kind of what are the how you, save your cost, save your, the money in terms of these. So this is the reason, you have to go into digital. For this, especially in this course, we are going to discuss about how to influence Instagram users. So this course, this digital marketing course, especially made up how we can utilize, how we can influence Instagram users, because this is very specific tool application, because a lot of people are using Instagram nowadays. For example, per month, there are a billion people are using. Billion means 100 crore people are using Instagram. And per month, if you take the average, the spending of the time, the youngsters are using Instagram application, and they are making the decision to buy any products by, through Instagram references, through Instagram ratings, through Instagram feedbacks, right? So this is how, that is the impact for any business, for that matter. For any business these days, they are going to have a presence, they are advertising, and they are giving their products and services, by taking, by achieving a lot of followers. Through that followers, they are engaging the people, engaging with the contents, engaging with the images, pictures, short videos, everything else. Okay, so this is how any business just wanted to engage in Instagram social media app, and through that they are selling their product. The first aspect, they are not coming with the motive of selling their product. The second point, the second most important point we need to understand is that once you started to having your presence on these social media apps, applications, you shouldn't expect the immediate selling of your products or services. No, nothing will happen. and that is not meant for any users, and users hate that. Okay, so first, through the content, how we can give, how we can leverage our marketing perspective, and we have to be very very low end, how we have to react or how we have to act upon our using our content to attract more followers. And see, we should not directly selling the product. That is the matter. Only the 10% of our intention to be selling the products and services. The rest of the 90% should be on the other social acts, the other contents with respect to you. It may be with respect to your products or services or your social responsibility or your personal things, whatever it could be. Okay, you have to showcase through content. So first we need to understand what is the purpose of using digital platform, and then how to effectively use this kind of a digital platform. Okay, and then the intention of our selling products, how to act upon. It should not be a direct selling always. It should not be. You should not selling your product directly. It never worked out. Maybe just portray your or explore your products services to the world, but still it should not be a direct meaning. It should not. You should not selling a product directly. Okay, so these 3 points please keep in mind, saying that you are not intentionally doing direct selling, and this is the purpose. And over the period of time, people making the trust on you, and then people started to come to your Instagram page and also to your profile and also to your websites, and then the online selling will be happening. Okay, so these things we need to know before starting into any of the social media applications. Okay, what is the main purpose of Instagram? Why we choose for it? Why we go for Instagram purposefully? Instagram is a social media application that allows users to share photos, videos, short videos, 1 minute videos on Instagram. If it beyond 1 minute, it will directly go into a IGTV, Instagram TV. So you should not watch on Instagram applications directly. And then it will go live, and then the captions, edit filters, and tweet settings, and your images or photos, videos, it looks very attractive. And then you can engage with other people, other network people, other business people, your followers, and they explore and create and just so on. Okay, so you can share your interest, and with respect to that, your followers you can gain followers. Okay, so this is the main purpose of Instagram. So this is mainly photo sharing applications through the images. Okay, through images. Image is the that is the content over here, and then the descriptions with respect to images or whatever the content you are thinking, you have to describe. So those things we will see in our portfolio as in our over the period of course digital marketing course on Instagram, and then we'll see one by one. Okay, what is Instagram and why should we use it? So first of all, we need to analyze our profile, our portfolio, our business portfolio on Instagram. So Instagram is a photo sharing application, as we already discussed, which allows users to assign filters to enhance the photo settings, and then it will just rolled out a desktop site this year for browsing. You can just browse through on your desktop application, but you can't do the posting directly on desktop applications. You have to install mobile application and then you can utilize it. Okay, so you can't upload all the photos or videos through Instagram. So for that, we have a separate thing. You will get to know later part of this course. Application continues to be preferred environment for users to interact. So mostly, you can go for a mobile application because that is the purpose. So what is the platform altogether? So it is a free online photo sharing application, and it is a social network platform and allows users to edit, upload photos and short videos through mobile applications. Here, the the statistics says that Facebook has more million people with respect to Instagram, and also the second place the YouTube is there, and also Instagram users, which is coming up very I mean it's growing regularly and growing rapidly. So you can't even imagine how it will be uh, after 2 years or 3 years or 5 years that user, because slowly Facebook audience is just coming to Instagram because of their the nature of attracting photos, images. um, you can spend very less time, might be that would be the intention, but the thing is, you can scroll down many people, you can chat with many people. Facebook, it is just quite it has a vast, might be through text. It is not an photo sharing application or short video application. It's just through text. So that's the difference between these two applications. Sorry. And then yeah, before going in depth, okay, the platform, how it would be the Instagram, how to set up the Instagram profile, how to set up, how to use the free applications to enhance our existing presentations. We'll go one by one. Okay, so thanks for watching until this now. So keep watching, keep subscribing to our channel, Career Mudra, so that you will get benefited out of this kind of tutorials or this kind of courses, which is entirely free. And also, our intense digital marketing course will give you a different perspective on digital marketing. And we have there's so many industrial experts, and you will get intern offer. Sometime, a lot of people are getting offers from a lot of companies. We are assisting for placement offers too. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and keep on watching, keep subscribing, and you will get to know a lot of information on how to use Instagram, or how to use effectively Instagram influences course. Okay, so this influencing Instagram users course is entirely different perspective. You will get a new experience through this course. Thank you.